Antares rocket explodes and falls back to Earth during launch. An Antares rocket that was scheduled to send a Cygnus cargo spacecraft into space to deliver materials to the International Space Station failed on Tuesday after it exploded only seconds after launch. The Antares 130 rocket measures approximately 40 meters tall, with its first stage thrust powered by a pair of AJ2658 engines. The second stage thrust is powered by an ATK Castor 30B solid motor. The CRS-3 Cygnus cargo spacecraft measures about 6 meters tall. In Tuesday's launch, a third of the cargo was material for scientific investigation, while another third was equipment and 1,300 pounds of food for the crew aboard the ISS. The rocket reached only about 200 feet into the air on Tuesday before falling back to Earth, where CNN said the explosion and fire covered a 100-yard area. NASA sent out a tweet saying the malfunction took place only 6 seconds after launch. Although no one was killed in the explosion, the failed launch is problematic for Orbital, who likely intends on renewing its $1.9 billion contract with NASA to supply the ISS.